Welcome to Jownology. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the llm-axe library to extract specific pieces of information from a web page using a local language model. We'll go through the code step by step, explaining each line in simple terms. Today, we're going to extract contact details from a website. Let's get started. Welcome to Jownology. Today, we'll explore the llm-axe library and show you how to extract specific information, like contact details, from a website using a local language model. First, let's talk about the llm-axe library. llm-axe is a versatile toolkit designed to simplify the implementation of large language model-powered applications. It offers features such as automatic schema generation, pre-made agents with self-tracking chat history, and customizable agents. This makes it easier to integrate powerful language models into your applications. Importing the necessary libraries. We start by importing the OllamaChat and OnlineAgent classes from the llm-axe library. These classes are crucial for interacting with the language model and performing web searches. Initializing the language model, next, we create an instance of the OllamaChat class. We specify the model we want to use, which is llama3.1. This initializes the language model and prepares it for use. Creating the online agent. Then, we create an instance of the online agent class. This agent will use the language model we initialized to perform web searches. Defining the search prompt. We define a prompt, which is a question or command we want the language model to respond to. In this case, we ask the model to extract contact details from a specific website. Performing the search. We then use the search method of the online agent to perform the web search based on the prompt we defined. The response will contain the information retrieved from the web. This step might take a little longer as the model fetches the information from the website. Printing the response. Finally, we print the response to see the information retrieved by the language model. This step allows us to view the result of the web search. That's it for this tutorial. We've shown you how to use the llm-axe library to perform a web search with a local language model and extract specific pieces of information from a website. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jownology for more tutorials. See you in the next video.